Hey everyone, welcome back to another CRUMBL review. As you can see, why are they missing my frosting? And y'all wanna know what's crazy? So I have two boxes. So I have these 4-pack and I also have a small one because I got like a free birthday cookie. And this was like the first time like they didn't check before I left because she was like, oh, do you need me to check? I'm like, no, you're good. Like they always get it right. And I didn't realize it was missing the frosting. And I checked in the parking lot too. I didn't realize they were missing the frosting until I looked at the picture and got the frosting. So you want me to go back and get the real cookie? I'm gonna take a picture. Should I take a picture? I'm gonna take a picture. So I'm gonna be like, oh, my phone just froze. I'm gonna take a picture. So I'm gonna be like, when I go back, I'm gonna be like,
hey, I got a cookie and it didn't have the frosting. Like,
okay, picture taken. So they know. Yeah. So let's get started right with the review. Which one should we start with? I'm gonna just start with the regular one they got wrong because they already got it wrong. Fluffy. It's so plain. This is so plain. I think good, but I'm gonna have to give that one up. I had a weird ass taste in my mouth. Not through the cookie, I'm tripping. Has a weird taste. Like at first it's good, but I get like a weird fishy taste on butter. I don't know. We're giving that a 2 because they got it completely wrong. Starting off low. Which one should we do next? Water on deck because I'll be thirsty. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. This one is the lemon blackberry. Let me take a second bite. Okay. At first, I was like, I can get down with this, you know? I can get down with this. But it does have a strange aftertaste. Like, the aftertaste tastes like yogurt kind of vibe. I don't really like yogurt. But going in, you taste it's like a burst of flavor. But when you continue biting it, the burst of flavors are gone. I'm gonna give this one a solid 6. This one's kind of breaking. It's the apple pie. It's the apple pie, and it's like a cute little pie. I don't know what that sound was. I promise you I wasn't playing. This is good. The inside's looking right. This is good. I'm loving the crust. The crust is really doing it for me. The crust being so... Let me take another bite. I'm loving that cookie. The crust is thick. It's not dry. It's real moist. The apple pie. The apples complements it. It's not too much. It's not too sweet. Like it does taste like apple pie, which I really like. That was really good. That was really good. Honestly, I was not expecting it to taste so good, but it's really, really good. I'm gonna give that a solid... No. Why am I so hyper today? Probably because I'm filming on time. It is only 11:43, y'all. Don't play. Don't motherfucking play. That means I'm gonna end on time. I'm so happy because I'm editing and I'm gonna upload first than these other YouTubers, okay? Okay, anyways, it was really good. That was really good. I'm gonna give that one a solid 8.7 because I think that's a chill cookie and I feel like it would have been better warm. I ain't gonna lie, shorty. I don't know where it's probably coming from upstairs. So this is like the hazelnut one, and girl, I am a Nutella girl. I am a chocolate girl, and this one just gushes out. So we're about to hold on. Oh. Okay. I expected more, but I think I just broke it wrong. So we're about to bite right into it. Yes. This is good. It has chocolate all the way through except for the crust. I like this one. I'm not gonna lie, this week's crumble lineup is not as sugary as it usually be. It was good. Coming stuck in my fingers and shit. Okay. I love hazelnut. Let's start off by, that cookie was delicious. The sea salt really did it for me. Low key, I'm not gonna lie, some people like sea salt, you know, chocolate chip sea salt, cookies, yada, or brownies, whatever, like that should be nasty. No, the salt does it. The salt gives it like an extra burst of flavor. What is good with these weird ass sounds? It was very smooth. It wasn't too much. The outside was crispy. The chocolate, I think I broke it wrong, which is why I wasn't like a crazy chocolate pool. But chocolate is all around. I am loving that cookie. It tastes just like hazelnut, but it's not as like sugary and strong like Nutella will be. Like, it really gave a natural hazelnut. It was really like soft chocolate. The only thing I will say is the chocolate does get stuck in your teeth, like the top, like your gums. But personally, I feel like it's worth it because that was super good. That was super good. So now up next, y'all know I don't really get the chocolate chip cookie from CRUMBL. Personally, I really don't like it. But they have some semi-chocolate chunks, I believe. And I was seeing it all over TikTok, and I was seeing like, oh, how like other creators were super excited for it, yada yada yada. I'm gonna let y'all know. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it 100. First off, they put mad salt in one corner. It looked good though, but I see all that salt in one corner, and I waited an extra 10 minutes for it. I don't know which cookie I waited 10 minutes for, but I waited 10 minutes for one cookie. I hope it was a hazelnut, cause let me hold it right. So, and this is how the cookie's looking at you. I'm loving the chocolate amount. Has lots of chocolate. I am loving it. I'm gonna break this cookie for y'all because why the fuck not? Okay. Ooh, there's a lot of chocolate there. I'm loving the chocolate. I'm not gonna lie. I'm loving the amount of chocolate. Oh, this is good. I was definitely waiting for this one because this one's still warm. Oh, I didn't even give a rating for the last cookie. The hazelnut one was definitely a 9.8. This chocolate chip one is really good. Better than the original chocolate chip they have, because I feel like this one is for sure a richer chocolate. It tastes richer and everything. I'm liking that one. I also like how there's way more chocolate in there. It's melted. It's like the chunks complement it more rather than the other cookie. Better than milk chocolate, 100%. They should have that full time, honestly. Bigger, like it was thicker. I really like that cookie. Would I get it again? Probably not, because I just feel like it's good. But if I'm ordering a whole, like if there's other options that are not really available, like are not available each week or whatever, I wouldn't get that one. Like it's not super fire to the fact that I wouldn't get it, but it's really good. Yeah, and it's okay. I'm gonna give that one a solid, I'm gonna give that one a solid 8.7. And the reason, even though I was eating that up and I really like the chocolate, I don't know. I just don't think it deserves a 9. And they did me so wrong with the pumpkin, y'all. I'm telling y'all right now, I did not realize it had no frosting. I even, like, I'm over here thinking like, oh, I looked that shit before we left and everything. Definitely gonna report that. And CRUMBL, if y'all seen this, bring me my money. I want a full refund, no pronto. But you know what's crazy? There was other people that left with it too. They probably very mad. I didn't, because I realized when I got home. Honestly, when I got home, I realized it when I was recording a video. No, because I take videos before I do this video. So I'm realizing when I'm checking, I was like, wait, let me check the names of these the cookies again. And then I'm seeing the pumpkin cake has a frosting and mine doesn't, but it's whatever. It's cool. Whatever. But make sure y'all like this video. Comment down below if what y'all want to try, which cookie y'all excited for. Comment down below if y'all do want me to run it back to CRUMBL and make sure I get my money worth, you know. But if I do that, make sure you tune into my other social media networks. And yeah, and FYI, y'all did get me to 4K followers before my birthday, which was amazing. And y'all even got me to 5K like yesterday, which is crazy. But make sure you follow me on all social media platforms, and we're going up for here 10K giveaways coming up. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm mad talking about fingers. I'm about to upload on time. You know, tú sabes. Yeah, girl. And this video, okay, y'all, bye. Welcome back to another video. I might drop a mini vlog tomorrow, because I did record on my birthday, like some of the foods. But honestly, I didn't record it like how I wanted to. So comment down below if y'all want to see that, because some parts are fun, the other parts are just me food. So let me know if y'all want to see that. And if y'all do, y'all know I'm going to drop that for y'all. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. Thank you for supporting my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my motherfucking channel. Bye, y'all.